nutrition from food. So from every food group we get different types of nutrition so that we remain healthy. Our bodies need the right kind of food to stay healthy and fit. The food we eat helps us to build our bones and muscles. It also helps in the proper functioning of all our body parts. That is why we should include food from each of these groups in our meals regularly. Now, from these food groups, we get nutrition. There are 5 main nutrition that we get from these food groups. That is carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. So, from different food groups, we get these nutritions. So these nutritions have different roles to play in our body. Now let us see these different food groups one by one. Carbohydrates. So these are the food group which gives us the energy to do our work. People who do a lot of physical work need more carbohydrates in their diet. Like the farmers and those who do physical activities like laborers, so they need more carbohydrates so that they can get much energy in their body. Food like rice, wheat, milk, potato, bread, they are very rich in carbohydrates. They are also called the go food. Sugar and starch are 2 main carbohydrates present in our food. Did you know when we are sick and feel tired, the doctor tells us to drink glucose because glucose gives us instant energy. This is a type of sugar that gives us immediate energy. That is why nowadays packs of ORSL and Glucon-D are sold, no? Because when we drink this, it gives us energy. It boosts our energy. Proteins. These are the body-building foods or the grow foods. Growing children need to eat a diet rich in proteins. A protein-rich diet is also required for healthy hair and skin. So, children of your age, they need to eat more and more protein because they are body-building foods. Also, proteins helps to repair our skin. If there is any damage in our skin, if we get hurt, if the skin is torn, so these proteins that is present in our body, it helps to repair the cells of our body. Okay, it helps to build new cells in our body. So that is why protein rich diet must be taken. So the protein rich food are eggs, fish, meat, cheese, peas, pulses and milk. These food, they contain a lot of proteins. So it is very necessary that growing children must eat this food. So protein rich food helps to repair the wear and tear of the body. So when we get hurt, our skin gets torn, after few days we will see that the damaged part, it is recovered with new cells, with new skin. Yes or no? So because of the protein it happens. It repairs our skin. Okay. So the next nutrient is fats. Fats give more heat and energy than carbohydrates. They are called glow foods. Fats help maintain body temperature and protect the organs. So intake of fats, what does it do? It helps in the glowing of our skin, and also it maintains a body temperature. Each and every human being, we human being has a body temperature that is need to be maintained, not too cold or not too hot. So it is protected by the fats. Also fats protect the organs in our body. Butter, ghee, oil, nuts and red meat are rich source of fat. However, too much of fatty food can lead to obesity and heart diseases. So that means intake of lot of fatty foods, no, it may lead to obesity. Obesity means it makes person very fat. The person gains a lot of weight. So you have seen, no, very fat people. So this is known as obesity. Means too much, they weigh too much of gain, which is not healthy. Okay. Also they have people who eat a lot of fatty foods, they get heart diseases. They have heart problems. Okay. So fatty food should be taken in minimum amount, in adequate amount, not very much or not very low, but in a proper amount. Vitamins. Vitamins are also called essential nutrients. They are needed in small quantities in the body. The amount produced in the body is not enough. Hence, they need to be supplemented in our diet. So, as you all know, vitamins and minerals are very necessary for our body. So, our body also produces vitamins. Okay, in our body, vitamins are produced, but it is not in large amount. It is not sufficient for the body. That is why we have to eat, we have to intake vitamins on our own from food. We get from food, from vegetables, from fruits, milk. From there we get vitamins. Now, why vitamins are necessary in our body? Because vitamins help us to fight diseases, grow and to remain healthy. Okay, so that is why we should eat milk, fish liver oils and eggs along with fresh fruits and vegetables. So fish liver oils, it means from the liver of some fish like cod fish we get the oils. So that is called fish liver oils. So these are the best sources of vitamins. Because why it is necessary to take vitamins? Because it helps us to fight diseases. Minerals. Minerals help in the formation of bones, teeth and blood. Calcium and phosphorus are needed for healthy bones. So these two important minerals, calcium and phosphorus, they are needed for our healthy bones. Calcium, it makes our bones strong. Okay, our teeth, our bones, it makes it strong. Iron is needed for the blood formation. So, fresh fruits, vegetables, milk and liver, this contains minerals. This contains minerals and vitamins both actually. So that is why we should take more and more fruits and vegetables. Since vitamins and minerals protect us from diseases, it helps to build our bones, our blood. That is why they are called protective foods. The last one that is needed in our food is roughage and water. The part of food that we cannot digest is called roughage or fiber. It absorbs water and adds to the bulk so that our stomach feels full sooner and helps in throwing out waste from our bodies. Fruits, vegetables and cereal contains lot of fiber. So, Why roughage is important? Because when it is present in our body, this roughage, it throws out the waste from our body. The waste that is produced in our body, it throws out. Similarly, water is an important part of our diet. It helps the body to use other nutrients and also help to digest food. 6 to 8 glasses of water keep the body well hydrated. It also helps to throw away poisonous waste out of the body. So, intake of lot of water is always advised to us, because water keeps our body clean. It throws out the toxic materials from our body in the form of urine especially. Okay. Also, by sweating we put out the toxic things, okay, from our body, from the inside of our body. The toxic materials, it comes out along with the water. So all these nutrients in our food together consist a balanced diet. So, right amounts of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, mineral salts, vitamins, roughage and water make up a balanced diet. A balanced diet has food items from each group. So, it is necessary for us that we eat a balanced diet every day so that we remain healthy, fit and healthy and away from diseases.